In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence page as a PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable document you can save, print, or send to teammates, even if they don't have access to Confluence. First, log into your Confluence account, make sure you're signed into the right site and that you have permission to view the page you want to export. If you can open the page normally, you're good to go. Next, select the space and then the specific page you want to work with. Spaces act like folders for your content, so pick the space where your page lives and navigate to the page using the sidebar or the search bar. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct page, especially if there are similar titles or multiple versions. Now, go to the page you want to export and make sure it's published. If you've been editing, click Publish, so your latest changes are included in the PDF. Drafts and unpublished edits won't be captured in the exported file, so it's worth double-checking that everything you want is visible on the page. At the top right corner of the page, click the three dots, often labeled as More Actions. Depending on your screen size, this menu might be tucked away, but it will always be near the top right. This menu provides page-level tools, including exporting options. From that menu, select Export and then choose Export as PDF. You may see other export formats listed, but for this walkthrough, PDF is the one we want. This option preserves the layout, headings, images, and most content in a fixed format that's great for sharing or archiving. After you choose PDF, wait for it to load. Confluence will generate the file, and the time this takes depends on the page's length, number of images, and any embedded content. It's normal for larger pages to take a bit longer. Keep the tab open until you see the download prompt or the file begins to download. Finally, download the file. In most browsers, it will either save automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. The file name typically matches the page title, so it's easy to recognize. Open the PDF to confirm everything looks right, and you're done. You can now store it, print it, or share it with your team. That's the entire process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you export your Confluence pages quickly and confidently.